Hello, parents and students. This video is created mainly for grade 8 parents and students exclusively. And I would, yeah. So basically, understand that parent-teacher conference are coming out next week. So I'm taking my time to record this to show you a little bit of my teaching. All right. So we all will be using Canvas, and then basically on from day-to-day teaching or on school days for between me and my student, you can come on to Canva. So you can see here basically this is on student portal. You can see here you are currently logged in to student view. All right. So there are two links that are very important. One is modules. So when you click on modules, this is what you will be seeing on chapter 1, because that's currently where we are at. Chapter 1, the title is expression. If you click on it, there's a drop down menu, and you can see here so the essential question basically would be, how can mathematical expression be represented and evaluated? And each lesson there will be on one or more than one learning targets, and this is what we will be going through or what we have gone through. All right, so going back a little bit so you can see here sometimes student actually they might be sick, or they might not be they might be absent from class. So I have also incorporated teaching video just to complement my teaching. During my class, I also started early this week. I also record my teaching as well, and I will show you on how student and you can also access my teaching. All right. So you can see here lesson 1, chapter 1.1, for example. And this is for one lesson, 80 minutes. So chapter 1.1, we are learning about numerical expression for verbal expression, evaluate numerical expression, the vocabs here, and they are examples again. All right. So when we go back to um, the modules, you can see here chapter 1.1, 1.1, 1.1, and these are the theories. They are the learning targets. They are the examples. They are the theories. And for grade 8, they have access to IXL, right? So what they need to do is they will also need to do IXL. All right. So let's say when they are doing IXL, basically I will be able to monitor from the background. You can see here, if I come over to here, roster, that's how I checked it. I can pull out any student, let's say uh, Annabelle, for example. I click on this, I can see like how many questions they actually spend time on, and also like you can see here which day and from what time to what time. Okay, so that's how I monitor from background. So coming back to here, right? I not only allocate IXL as homework or classwork, but also practice questions. So those practice questions, students have to do it on their notebook, which I will be checking it irregularly. So at the end of each chapter, I will do one check and then another check on every now and then. Okay. So you can see here if F, so chapter 1.2, that will be the theory or example. IXL, you can see here the link IXL. And these are the homework questions. All right, you get 1.3, so on and so forth. So let's say students are very strong in math and they would like to challenge themselves. They can try to also incorporate AMC. AMC stands for oh, it's not appearing. Okay, so basically AMC stands for American Math Competition, where student can actually uh, I, I I will show you from my portal. So I forgot to publish it. So once I publish it, a student will be able to see it. So going back to here, going back to student is here. So student will be able to this is American Math Competition past paper. It's 2025, and the students are really interested to challenge themselves. For example, on each AMC 8, there are 25 questions. So let's say I want to focus on problem 10. Click on it. This is the question, right? Yeah, solution as well. This is written solution. You can also do video solution. You can, if you want something like
Power 10. In the figure below, a
there will be explanation how to solve this question on YouTube. So if students are really, if your kids or yourself as a student are interested in AMC8, this is where you do it, where you do your revision outside of on school time. All right. So this is what you can do AMC modules. All right. So on in terms of the progress, basically this is how we do it. On chapter 1.1, this is chapter 1.1 is a theory, learning target, examples, and this would be on IXL assignment, practice questions where student do it on notebook, and then IXL I can monitor from background. You can see here. All right. Lastly, on announcement. Basically, if you come to here, announcement basically is um week 2 recording. The recording doesn't student are not inside of the recording. So basically I use my iPad and it only records my own voice and my writing on all the writing on iPad. So if you look at it, you can see here. Yeah. So if so student can go back to see this. All right. So anyway, this is my teaching. So if student um like forget something from my class and they would like to go back to the teaching video, here is here's how they access it. All right, I hope you find this useful. We'll talk to you later. Bye.